experience today has been a pleasant one. Usually I'm not a person that likes to share or likes to open up a lot, and I found that this community circle allowed me to do so.
It allowed me to extend myself beyond just my comfort zone, my friend circle.
Didn't expect people to be so open and authentic with their responses.
So ultimately what it does is put you in a setting where you are around like-minded folks to unpack things that do not serve your personality or things that you can work toward so we can learn more about ourselves and others as well.